The Hostco is thrilled to join forces with StayFi to help you add instant amenities to your rentals. Our platform gives you and your guests access to a digital storefront where you can sell anything, from local services we curate for you, like massage and chef, to automated alterations, like late checkouts and pet fees, to on-site sales and upgrades like firewood, hot tub heating, and beyond. Connect to our pre-vetted list of vendors and add any services or products of your own. We take care of support, inventory management, email and SMS notifications, payouts straight to your bank, and more. Plus, we give you ultimate control over your store. Using our Request and Approve feature, your guests can request any service, and we hold their payment for up to 7 days to give you a chance to approve or deny their request. Guests love the immediate access to amenities, hosts and property managers love fewer questions from guests, and an added revenue stream. The best part? You make money from every transaction. How much money? We see hosts eclipsing their nightly rate with upsells, and see hosts make up to $120,000 per year. The Hostco is free to start and use. You keep 93% of all sales, and we get a 7% commission, plus a guest checkout fee. Your live sales dashboard keeps track of everything and can be exported at any time. And now through StayFi, you can create stores for each one of your listings in just under 2 minutes, and StayFi will add them to your home pages automatically. It's so easy. Here's how. First, navigate to the Wi-Fi experience page on the left menu on StayFi. Click Edit Homepage Template, then toggle on the Hostco. Choose the addresses you'd like a Hostco store created for, then click Update. And that's it. All your Hostco stores are created and live right away for each one of your listings. You'll then receive an email from the Hostco with your login info. To manage your account and set up payouts, head over to your account. To see how your store looks in your StayFi page to guests, click on this icon and look for the Shop Amenities tile. If you got any questions, you can always contact us at support@thehost.co. The Hostco has created a new win-win revenue stream for thousands of apartments, short-term rentals, and property managers. Now with our partnership with StayFi, we are thrilled to join another innovative tech company to provide you with convenient upsells that will boost your revenue and guest occupancy and help you get set up in just a couple of minutes. We can't wait to see what you do with your stores.